Guys, welcome to MVP Media with me, Mike MVP, and today I got something really freaking awesome because I love cars and I love AMG especially. Recently, I do love the M, but today we're going to talk about AMG because, believe it or not, I have landed a really awesome job where I'm allowed to take out different AMG every week. I'll tell you guys how I land that job later towards the end of this video, but today we're gonna go film a Mercedes AMG GTR. Yes, guys, that thing costs over, I think, $500,000 here in Thailand because the tax is so expensive. I'll tell you why the tax is expensive later, but let's go see the clip that I filmed for this AMG GTR, and I'll tell you guys how I film it later. You guys wanna go see it? Let's go. All right, guys, so did you guys like the clip? If you guys like the clip, if you guys don't like the clip, comment down below, write me something. I want to talk and interact with each and every one of you. So I got a job, guys, from this Mercedes AMG brand center in Thailand. Short story shorter, I was just eating lunch one day on the way to the gym, and basically I saw an ad and I was like, wow, they seem like a cool place. They got an ad, but I can probably make this ad better. So I gave him a call and said, look, my name is Mike. I'm a videographer. Can I meet you guys? I got something to offer. I went to offer it to them. Waited for the boss to come 2 times. Finally came, say yes, he wants the shooting just like my style with lights and everything. So fortunate that I signed a 3-month contract with them. And the first car they gave me to film is this AMG GTR. I didn't get to drive it because it was my first time, but down the line, there's so many AMG I'm gonna be driving and showing you guys. But anyway, guys, we went to their paint shop center, which is TTC Paint Shop here in Thailand, and I took all the lens kit I have, my lovely army of camera, which is one Sony Alpha A6500, and my gimbal, which is my Weibo S. Over there, see you. And I took 3 sources of light, which is a Yangnu light stick, 2 of them, and 1 Falcon i7. That's why the car was lit the way they were lit. The light was quite nice, and we took a lot of awesome picture for them. It's up on my Instagram. Go check it out. So those are what I did, or what I took to go shoot this. It was very exciting. We did the shooting within maybe 3-4 hours, and I met my freaking awesome assistant, Oppa off. Yo, your Instagram is right here. He's standing right there right behind the Sony camera. A7S3. A7S3? Is that it? A7 III. And, you know, we connected right away, and he became like my young apprentices. So look out for him, guys. But anyways, that's how I film it. Again, I use a website called Motion Array to find a suitable template with the song. Motion Array allows you to find a template that you are looking for. You just go check it out. Anything from wedding, cars, gym, fitness. Don't just copy and paste your photo into their files or folders. Please adjust it, because you can adjust everything to your liking down to the T. And that's exactly what I did for this one. If you guys want to know how I use that or how I sign on to it, just ask me a question down below. But for now, guys, I just want to show you an awesome video I did with AMG. There's going to be a lot more coming. So click like, click subscribe, and hit that bell notification button. For now, guys, I'll see you next week again with more AMG stuff. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Peace and love.